Hello students, morning and welcome you all. Today in this session we will see the topic number system of class 9. Under this topic we will introduce today the irrational numbers. Before this we have seen already the details of rational number. So today we will see the another family of number which is called irrational number. So let us have the introduction of these numbers. Irrational number, all root containing numbers, either it is square root or it is cube root, fourth root, fifth root, you may say nth root. So all root containing numbers, square root, cube root, fourth root, all roots are commonly known as radical sign. So you may say also all numbers containing radical signs, which on simplification doesn't give a rational number, such numbers are called irrational number. Examples are root 2, root 3, root 5, cube root 4, fourth root 5, sixth root 15, etc. So here you see all the root containing numbers. Root may be square root, cube root, fourth root, any root, which is called in one word we say radical sign to these all symbols, commonly known as radical sign. So numbers having radical sign, and the condition is on simplification it should not give a rational number. Such numbers are called irrational number. Here you see we have not taken root 4, root 1, root 9, root 16, root 25, because on simplification it gives a rational number, so these are not included here. Similarly, in case of cube root, you may say cube root of 8 is not irrational because on simplification it gives 2. Similarly, fourth root, fifth root, so subject to this condition that it should not give a rational number. Second case we see when we take a rational number and one irrational number, and under any basic operation, say addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, so all these operations result an irrational number when we take one rational and one irrational number, either in plus sign or minus sign or into sign or divide sign. There is one exception, that is in case if you are taking the rational number 0 especially, then this result doesn't hold good. Except 0, all other rational number and irrational number under any operation they give irrational. As example, here is 2 plus root 3, 3 minus root 5, 2 root 3, root 7 by 4. So here you see in all these examples one rational number and one irrational number has been taken either with plus sign or minus sign or into sign or divide sign. They result always irrational number. So student, take the concept here that what are the different types of irrational numbers which we will consider in our exercise problem while solving the questions. Third point is, pi. In mathematics it is commonly used, especially in case of problem solving with circles, related to circle. Frequently this symbol pi is used, and pi is defined as the ratio of circumference to its diameter of any circle, because its value remains constant and its actual value is non-terminating and non-repeating. So such numbers are called irrational numbers. So pi is irrational, but note here one very important point: the value of pi which we usually take, that is 22 by 7 or 3.14. So these two values we used to apply whenever we solve pi related questions. So actually these two values are approximate value, not the exact value. So basically 22 by 7 or 3.14, these two are rational number because they have p by q form, and another is terminating decimal 3.14. So they are a rational number undoubtedly, but pi itself is an irrational number because its value in decimal is non-repeating and non-terminating. So this is the criteria for an irrational number. In case of decimal number, the irrational numbers are those which are having non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. So pi, actual value of pi is like that. Okay, further next point is, since pi is already irrational and now we take any rational number with this pi under any operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then again it results irrational numbers, except again there is exception, rational number. In case if you take 0, then this result doesn't give, then the result will be a rational number, otherwise all are irrational. Here examples are 2 pi, pi plus 5, 3 minus pi, pi by 7, etc., where one rational number and pi which is irrational are taken, these two, under any operation, say multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. So these are also irrational number. And next is all non-terminating and non-repeating decimal numbers. In case of decimal numbers, if there is dot 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 which indicates non-terminating nature, and if you see the digit after decimal, never repetition will occur, such numbers are called irrational number. For example, 0.5312, 112, 1112. In this way it goes on. So you see there is no repetition because 1 2, then double 1 2, then triple 1 2. So quite natural, there is no repetition. Similarly, in the second example here, 1.3, 7 8, 7 88, 7 888, so there is no repetition, and dot dot is there, so it is non-terminating and non-repeating. So these are also irrational numbers. So student, just I want to remind you that all these concepts, if you hold in your brain, then only you can distinguish a rational number and an irrational number. So actually these two family of numbers are quite different from each other. There is no similarity between rational and irrational, but our scholars, mathematicians, they have taken these two sets of number, these two family of number, and have listed under one name, and that name is called real numbers. So it means real numbers are actually the combination of all rational and all irrational number. But don't forget that a number, if it is rational, then it is not irrational. Conversely, if a number is irrational, then it is not rational. So a rational number is non-irrational and an irrational number is non-rational, but both are called a common name, real number. So here everything are written giving note that rational and irrational numbers are quite different from each other. There is nothing similarity in them, only they are kept together under one name, that is real numbers. Examples are also taken. Say 1 by 2, it is a rational number. You may call it a real number also, but you can't call 1 by 2 an irrational number. Similarly, root 2, which is basically an irrational number, but now we can call it as a real number also, but we can't say root 2 is rational. Now student, for you here one question I have given. Simply different numbers are given, you have to classify them as rational or irrational. You may do some simplification work if it is needed, and then you answer that given number is rational or irrational. So it is very easy to answer if you recall all these concepts related to rational numbers as well as to irrational numbers. So thanks student. If you feel that this video is a good one and this makes your concept clear, then definitely you will share, like and subscribe, and we will meet again in the next video. Okay, till then, goodbye.